Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best Rearview video recorder in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Rearview video recorder to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is 4K 2160p car DVR. Specifications: brand name, Obspeak. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, AVI, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Number 4 is 4K Wi-Fi dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Axio. Weight, 750 grams. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 9.66. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. As the item number 3, we selected 12 inches car mirror. Specifications: brand name, GMA Pop. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, AVI. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, JXF22. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Huawei. Frames per second, 60. Number 2 is 1440p HD Wi-Fi dashcam. Specifications: brand name, SFE. Weight, 0.23 kg. Input/output, HDMI. Display, IPS. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video format, AVI. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 200 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Geely. Frames per second, 30. On the top of our list at number 1 we have mirror DVR with Wi-Fi car rearview mirror. Specifications: brand name, GMA Axio. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video code, MJPG. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1,3 Sony CCD. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. Chipset manufacturer, General Bliss. Frames per second, 30.